In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the terminal in Visual Studio Code. If you're new to Visual Studio Code, the integrated terminal is one of the most useful features you can use. It lets you run commands, scripts, and tools without ever leaving the editor, which can really speed up your workflow. Let's walk through exactly how to open it and give you a clear picture of what's happening at each step. First, make sure Visual Studio Code is open and that you have a project folder or at least a file open. This isn't strictly required just to open the terminal, but it makes the terminal much more useful, because it will start in the context of your current workspace. At the very top of the window, you'll see the menu bar. Look for the option labeled Terminal. It usually appears alongside items like File, Edit, View, and so on. Move your mouse up to that menu bar and click on Terminal. This is your entry point to all of the terminal-related commands inside Visual Studio Code. Once you've clicked on Terminal, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on New Terminal. As soon as you do that, Visual Studio Code will open a terminal panel, usually at the bottom of the screen. You should see a new terminal session appear, often with a prompt that shows the path to your current project folder. At this point, you can start typing commands just like you would in your regular system terminal or command prompt. If you need more than one terminal at the same time, Visual Studio Code makes that easy too. Look down at the terminal panel you just opened. On the right side of the terminal tab area, you'll see a small plus sign icon. This plus sign is used to create additional terminal instances. Click on the plus sign, and a menu may appear asking you which type of profile or shell you want to use, such as a command prompt, PowerShell, or a different